You know what I love? Sour things. Sour candy, sour drinks, sour fruits, anything sour, I'm typically a fan of it. And this is always held true when it comes to G Fuel flavors. If you guys have watched the channel for a while, you know I love anything and everything that is sour G Fuel. And one day, if I get my own G Fuel flavor, it's gonna be a super sour green apple flavor. But alas, as good as all of the sour G Fuel flavors are, they're just not enough. I have a deep desire to find the most sour drink in the world and consume it. And that wasn't possible. No, not until today, when I'm taking all 4 of the sour G Fuel flavors, and when I put them together, I will make the world's most sour G Fuel concoction. Today we mix every single sour flavor of G Fuel. Yes, as I said, the sour flavors of G Fuel have always been my favorites, and a lot of you guys have been asking me to mix them all together to see just how sour this concoction becomes, and does it actually taste good with all the different fruit and berry mixtures. At the time of this recording, there are currently 4 sour flavors of G Fuel. There's a couple of other flavors that are rather tart, but these are the only 4 that are classified as sour on the front. See right here, it says sour. That usually means it's sour. So I'm gonna mix them all together, try it out, rate it 1 out of 10, let you guys know if this is something you should try at home or not. Dakaja yet again bringing the people another video they keep asking for. You have spammed my direct messages. You have left so many comments asking for this video. Don't know why, but I don't ask questions. I only do. And after I try these out together, maybe I'll take some of the other more tart flavors, mix it in there, see how those add or take away from the mixture. Gonna be a pretty brief and simple video, so hopefully you guys enjoy this. And again, if you enjoy any of the content you see here today and you want to join the family, feel free to subscribe. We are so very close to 50,000 subscribers. And before I get going, I actually have to announce something. We have picked the winner of the Dakaja mustache meme. There were so many good submissions. I can't tell you how hard I've laughed at some of these. You guys got so creative, and it was actually kind of mind-blowing to see how many of you sent me a Dakaja mustache meme. But there had to be one winner. And our winner here today is Ty Anderson, also known as Embers on Twitter. As you can see here in his meme, I was an officer pulling you over for not leaving a sub-like-ment, making sure you're going away for a long time, buddy, just so maybe next time you'll actually leave a sub-like-ment. I don't know why this one hit me so hard, but when I saw this, I laughed so hard. It was so creative too. I'm reaching out to the winner to give his free G Fuel tub of choice. I do lots of giveaways over here on the channel, so if you guys want to be a part of them, make sure you're subscribed with notifications on so you never miss a giveaway. Keep making Dakaja memes. I love them. Awesome. So now that we have that out of the way, let's make a super sour mixture. Take a little bit of water here, open it like a man, pour a little bit of water into our Sonic shaker cup. Glug, 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 and done. Okay. So the way I'm going to do this with each of these scoopers is take about a quarter of each flavor, put them into the water here, and I think that should be an appropriate distribution of each of the flavors. Starting with our sour phaseberry, this is a more recent flavor and one that is killer. I gave it a pretty high rating when I reviewed it. I think it's so much better than the original phaseberry. 1/4 of sour phaseberry going in. Number 2 being a more OG flavor, sour cherry. This came out before I even started doing G Fuel videos, but I think this was like my 3rd or 4th flavor I ever tried, and it was my go-to for the longest time. Put some sour cherry into our already very red looking cup. Next up is the product that I did my very first G Fuel review on, the sour blue chug rug. Believe it or not, it's almost been 2 years since I posted that video reviewing this chug rug. Going into the mix. And last but not least, the flavor that came out at TwitchCon 2019. Rest in peace, TwitchCon 2020 this year. I've never been a huge fan of grape things, but I think this was definitely solid for another one of the sour flavors. So we're gonna go ahead and add this in here as well. It's actually looking a little bit more purple already. Will this be a purple drink or a red drink? We will find out now. Put your cap back on like so, and I got some on my pants. Okay. Good thing I didn't actually get my t-shirt wet because I had this nice Dakaja merch on protecting me. Link in the description down below. All right, we're all screwed on. We're good to go. And the last thing to do is shake! And done. Yeah, it looks completely purple all the way throughout, more like a darker purple. The coloring of the sour pixel potion took over the entire mixture here. All right, let's give it a pop. Hopefully we get a good one today. Good pops equal good luck. 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow. Hopefully that sounded as good in the mic. Sounded good to me, at least. And man, does this smell pretty sour or what? Okay. Getting a lot more of that sour cherry than anything else just off of a smell test. I think a lot of the flavors of the sour phaseberry might actually come out here, but the only way to know is to try it out, and we're gonna do that right here. By the way, if you wanna buy any of these flavors, you can use code DUCK for a percentage off. Sometimes it's 10%, sometimes it's 30% off. Either way, if you wanna make a sour concoction for yourself, you can use my code. Appreciate that, so let's do some cheers, and let's try it out. Super sour, secret, scrumptious, super spectacular mixture right here. Let's go ahead and give this a go. Ooh, sour. You might have guessed it. It's pretty sour. Just a roar of flavor. Funny enough, I'm getting way more sour phaseberry than anything else. I actually don't even taste the sour pixel potion or the sour cherry as much as I do the blue chug rug and the sour phaseberry. Still smells more cherry than anything, but it tastes different. Yeah, that tastes like sour phaseberry, but it smells like cherry. What is going on? Obviously, I think it's very good. A lot more sour than normal. It's not like Warhead kind of sour. So that would be a really good flavor idea. G Fuel, call me. Not quite the most sour thing in the world, but this mixture definitely amplifies that sour sour effect that all these flavors have. You want a sip? You want a little sippy sip? I'm waterfalling. Don't worry. Here you go. Here you go. I love the taste of it. It's really good. But honestly, if you were to tell me it was just sour phaseberry, I would probably believe you for the first little bit of drinking this. So I think as a whole, these four together would probably total out to somewhere around like an 8.7 out of 10. Very good nonetheless, but I don't want to stop there. We're gonna give another rating after we mix in the rest of the flavors that are somewhat tart. Those flavors including lemonade, green apple, lingonberry, I'm dropping these, pink lemonade, and hype sauce. I'm gonna put a little bit of each of these into our already very sour mixture. These aren't specifically sour releases, but they definitely are more tart flavored. But I want to mix these in there to make the ultimate sour drink. My taste buds will fall off after this video. Start with our lingonberry here. Lingonberry powder is really great, but I don't know if you guys have had the lingonberry cans. Knock your socks off kind of good. Secondly to that, we're gonna do some pink lemonade. I actually don't really care for pink lemonade that much over like regular lemonade, but either way, we're gonna pour it in here and see what it does to our drink. And now let's move on to its more superior sibling, the regular lemonade. Take a little bit of that, put a little bit of this in here. Next up was my very first G Fuel flavor I ever tried, green apple. Same amount, just about a quarter of a scoop. And last but not least, my second favorite flavor overall and my number one favorite sour flavor, the hype sauce. I believe this was supposed to be like a very temporary release, and then everybody raved over it. I hope it is here forever and then never vaulted. Drop a like on the video right now or your favorite flavor will be vaulted. Haha, I farmed likes off of you. Get wrecked. Go ahead and put that in here as well, and that should be everything. Cap back on, and wow, you guys are getting 2 shakes today. We gotta harness all of our chakra for this shake. Okay, pop this open. It was a bit more of a violent shake. See what kind of pop we get. High-pitched one. Maybe high-pitched means more sour. More sour equals more gooder. Without wasting any time, let's go ahead and try this out. Cheers. I'll let you guys know how this is. Let's go ahead and give it a go. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, that did it. That put it over the top. That's sour. Wow, I love that. Maybe a little too sour for the average person. That is getting up there to like the warhead category. The lemonade stands out the most, obviously, and I love that flavor. It's really good. Cannot taste any of these original that I put in there. I taste a lot of that lemonade, and I feel like some of the green apples coming through. Can't not squish up your face every time you take a sip. It's so powerful on your tongue, and then when you lick your lips after you're done with it, you get reminded of all the rush of flavor you just swallowed. Such a cool experience. I love that. It's actually so fun. I'm actually like passionate about this. I want this to be like a limited time release. They did a spicy flavor release. Why can't they do like a ridiculously sour release? That's such a potent flavor, man. I love it. I would drink this pretty regularly. I feel like G Fuel already has the caffeine and everything to wake you up and get you pretty alert. But if you have something that zings you like this, just kind of punch in the face sour flavor, it would do so well. It'd be my go-to wake up flavor every single day. If you guys like sour things and you want to try this out, I'd be super interested to see what you think about this. Now, if you don't like sour things and you're more toward the sweet side of the spectrum, don't do it. Don't even try it. Fantastic experience here, 10 out of 10. And I'm giving it such a high rating because I'm getting a lot of the sour green apple in this. I think it would be just as good without the lemonade, but I think the lemonade actually adds something cool to it as well. I just created another G Fuel flavor. You're welcome. 10 out of 10. This is a very fun experience. But yeah, some short entertainment for your Monday. Hope you guys are having a great week. Again, I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Turn those notifications on so you never miss an upload. And catch me on Twitch every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday streaming live for you guys. Come give me video ideas, come play games with me, watch me drink G Fuel, make it a push toward partner. Be there. Very cool. This is fun overall. Thank you guys for suggesting it once again. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and if you did and you don't mind doing so, go ahead and drop a sub-like. That's a subscribe, a like, and a comment, and I will see you in the next video. Being the only 2 tier 5 supporters of the channel. Tier 5 supporters get shoutouts by name at the end of every single video. I record unique endings to all the videos saying thank you to the tier 5s. Just want to show love to them for supporting me as a creator. It means the world, and I really appreciate you guys. So if you want to become a tier 5 member today, or a member of any rank for that matter, you can click the link down below, become a member, get your perks, all the good stuff that comes with it, and maybe even I'll send you a kiss. Nope, not yet. You gotta become a member. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.